Okay, so right now we are in Garden by the Bay. This is our first location out here in the Singapore. We are basically hunting for Instagrammable spots. I found this composition on Instagram, and you can just basically stand up there, do a little jump, and you don't have to pay entry fee to get to this part of the garden. So it's really great. All right, it's day 2 out here. We are in this beautiful city in Singapore. Kind of started a bit late today, but we went to Little India at first. And after that we went to Fort Canning, if I remember it correctly. And right now we are in front of the old Hill Police Station. It's very nice, colorful police station out here. All right, it's our last day here in Singapore. Check out this gorgeous view right here. It's by Marina Bay. Really nice. By the way, we are leaving for Phuket tonight, and I'm kind of running a bit late. I'm gonna go back to the hotel. There are a lot of attractions out in the Changi airport, and I think I should spend a good amount of time there as well before I fly back to Phuket. So yeah, see ya.